Hello everyone, Steve Hougard here. Home renovation and home improvements have been a big topic lately, and just recently I got a call from a customer and they called and said, hey, can you help us get a credit line on our house to improve our house? We want to actually build a granny flat since the state laws have changed and allow people to build accessory dwelling units. And I said, sure thing, how much are you looking for? And they said, maybe 25, 50, 75,000. I said, absolutely yes. I have a great line of credit product with a local bank. They'll allow us to get an appraisal if we want to determine the value. And I think I can get it through in about 2 to 3 weeks. And they said, great, let's do it. So we put together a very simple loan package, got it through in about 10, 12 days, and got it closed in 3 weeks. It's going to allow them to move forward with their contractor to go ahead and build a little granny flat in their backyard. I was just so thrilled that even though it ended up being a $50,000 credit line, it helped them get towards their goals, and I can't wait to see the finished product.